friends, welcome to Spandan Learning. I have made this Power Ranger Samurai poster and this is very simple to make. So let's begin. So first I have taken a white sheet and now I will draw Power Ranger on this. I have drawn this and now I will paint this. I have cutted this like this, and in the same way I have made the other ranger. This is blue, this is green and this is gold. I have taken a paper like this and I have painted it with oil pastel color. I have used yellow and orange, and now I am going to paste the Power Ranger which I have made on this paper. So now I have taken a A3 size sheet and now I am going to paste that sheet on this sheet. Here I have pasted Power Ranger, and for protecting this I have laminated it from market. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss my new videos update. Bye.